Hi everybody, how are you doing? Today we're installing the Apple CarPlay system on the 2018 Porsche Macan. This one I'm gonna show you how to use the CarPlay system. The video that we took before have already showed you how to install it, right? But right now I'm gonna show you how to connect to the iPhone and how to operate this system. This one is fully compatible with the original screen. You can see that. However, every time if you want to use the CarPlay, you need to change the car to auxiliary mode first. First, press source, AUX. See, this is the new interface for the Apple CarPlay. We didn't change the original. We didn't change the screen. This is still the original screen. CarPlay, Android Auto, and you can also download any video to the USB, and then you can put the USB to the side. This one. This USB come with the unit, and then you can play the video here. Now we are ready to connect to the CarPlay. First of all, connect the USB to the USB that come out from the system, and then connect to the USB. Perfect, it's automatic. Here we go. Now we can also use the touchscreen to control to use the navigation. And you can also listen to the music, and you can also check the message and make the phone call. If you want to go back to the original screen, just press pause. If you want to go back to the radio menu, just press tuner. All the backup camera is working exactly the same as before. If you have any question about this system, please contact us AutoTecPro. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye bye.